A young boy and his grandfather were walking down the beach and came around a bend to find a beach covered with tons of starfish. As they were stepping around them and trying to keep walking, the sweet boy reaches down to his feet, picks up a starfish, and lovingly tosses it back into the water. Then he picks up another and throws it back into the ocean. The grandfather says to the sweet young boy, "Oh, that's so cute of you, but this beach is covered with starfish. You really think you can make that much of a difference to this whole beach?" The boy looks at his grandfather and smiles slightly as he reaches down, grabs another, and as he tosses it into the air towards the ocean says, "It matters to that one." In the same way, many times when we look at a problem, or in this case, the current state of obstetrics in North America, it can feel overwhelming and hopeless, like our own beach full of problems. While we may not be able to clear the beach ourselves, imagine if all of us gave our best to each and every one of our own patients, one starfish at a time. Imagine how quickly we could make change together. So when you're feeling hopeless, all you have to do is reach down and gently give your starfish the best chance at a safe, non-traumatic birth experience, because it matters to that one.